Just imagine a world where your financial advisor is not a human, but an algorithm, a cold, calculating machine deciding your financial future. Scary or exciting? Now, the real question is this science fiction or is it already happening? Can AI take over the entire financial sector and make bankers, advisors, and analysts irrelevant? Stay with us as today we dive deep into this fascinating clash of finance and AI. And trust me, there's a twist at the end that you wouldn't want to miss. Welcome to Future Finance AI, where we decode the trends shaping the future of finance and technology. In this video, we're addressing a burning question. Will the finance we know today be completely replaced by artificial intelligence? To find the answer, we'll explore how AI is currently being used in finance, how it could disrupt the industry, and whether there's any space left for humans. Oh, and if you're wondering if your job is at risk, stick around until the end because we've got some shocking information for you. But before we begin, let me ask you this. If AI handled your money, would it do a better job than you? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Let's start with what's already happening. AI is everywhere in finance, from high-frequency trading to fraud detection, and even customer service chatbots that sound so human, you might accidentally share your deepest secrets with them. Algorithms now trade in microseconds, faster than you can say Bitcoin. AI-powered tools analyze massive amounts of data to predict market trends, making financial decisions faster and potentially more accurate. And speaking of speed, did you know that over 70% of trades in the US stock market are executed by AI systems? Yes, take a moment to process that. So here's a question. If AI is already better than most humans at predicting market trends, what's left for us to do? Now, AI in finance isn't just about profits and record-breaking moments. Sure, it's made investing more accessible and efficient, but it's also raised several concerns. And not just from people who can't figure out how to turn on their smart fridge. One big problem? Bias. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased, AI can make decisions that, well, to put it plainly, could be disastrous. Imagine an AI denying you a loan because it was trained on outdated stereotypes. Not fair, right? Then there's the question of trust. How much control are you really willing to give to a machine that has no emotions, no intuition, and frankly, no accountability? Oh, and let's not forget Terminator-level fears. Could AI eventually make decisions so complex that even humans can't understand them? You might laugh now, but remember, your grandparents probably thought online banking was wizardry too. And hey, if you're thinking AI can replace those awkward financial advisor meetings where someone hands you a brochure and speaks in riddles, I've got news. That might actually be an upgrade. Now let's face the truth. Will AI replace all jobs in finance? Not so fast. While roles like data analysts, traders, and even customer service reps are already being automated, machines still struggle with one thing: human connection. Jobs that require emotional intelligence, like financial planners who provide personalized advice or managers who navigate complex negotiations, are less likely to be replaced. Why? Because sometimes you need a human who can say, hey, maybe don't buy that yacht right now. But here's a twist. AI isn't just taking jobs. It's creating new ones too. AI engineers, data scientists, and tech-savvy financial strategists are in higher demand than ever. So, is your job safe? It depends. Are you embracing the future or clinging to the past? Here's a question for you. Would you trust AI to manage your retirement fund, or do you still need that human touch? Share your thoughts in the comments below, because this debate is just getting started. So, will finance be replaced by AI? Not entirely. The future is more about collaboration than replacement. Think of AI as a tool, a very smart, super efficient tool, but still a tool. It needs human supervision, creativity, and ethics to function effectively. Imagine a world where AI handles the boring number crunching while humans focus on big picture strategies and emotional connections. It's like having a robot butler. It does the heavy lifting, but you're still calling the shots. Now here's where you come in. What do you think? Are we heading towards a utopia where humans and AI coexist? Or is this the beginning of the end for traditional finance? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll explore how AI is transforming personal investments forever. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching Future Finance AI. Until next time, stay curious and stay ahead.